Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some math. I have my cubes that are going to help me and I have my whiteboard. Today we're going to be doing simple addition and subtraction problems. In these problems we are only going to be adding two numbers or subtracting two numbers. Okay, so the first word problem that we are going to start with is this. Okay, so our word problem up here says Lily ate 5 apples. Then she ate 3 more. How many apples did she eat in all? So, what I like to do when solving word problems is to underline the question and circle any numbers. So I'm going to underline this question. I know that it's the question because it ends in a question mark. And then I'm going to go through and circle my numbers. I see the number 5 and I see the number 3. Okay. So now I'm going to reread my question to see if I'm going to be using addition or subtraction. Okay. How many apples did she eat in all? Okay, when I hear the words in all, that makes me think that I need to use addition. Now I'm going to reread my first two sentences. It says Lily ate 5 apples. Okay, then she ate 3 more. I need to add 3 more apples. Now, my answer is going to be how many apples did she eat in all? This is when my cubes are going to come in handy. I'm going to grab 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm stacking my cubes together just to make it easier. Then, I know she ate 3 more apples. So I'm going to take my 5 cubes and add 3 more on top of it, which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know the answer to 5 plus 3 is 8. Now, it is very important when you are solving math problems, when you find your answer, you can't just say 8. If I read this, I would say, okay, 8 what? 8 elephants, 8 chairs, 8 basketballs, 8 what? And I need to put my unit here to say 8 apples. Now that is my final answer. All right, let's try another one together. Okay, so this next word problem says, in my class there are 13 boys and 11 girls. How many kids are in my class? Again, I'm going to underline my question. My question ends in a question mark, and I'm going to circle my numbers, 13 and 11. Okay, so now I'm going to think, am I using addition or am I using subtraction? How many kids are in my class? Okay, so if I need to know how many kids are in this class, I need to add the boys and the girls to come up with the total number of kids. So that means I'm going to add the numbers 13 boys, and 11 girls. Okay, I'm going to grab my cubes. Going to grab out 13, and now I need to grab out 11 and add them together. 11. Okay, so now I have a pile of 13 and I have a pile of 11. Now I'm going to put them together and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That means the answer to my problem is 24. Now, remember, 24 what? Kids. 24 kids. That is my final answer. Okay, so now we've just done 2 addition problems. So let's try another one and see if we can get a subtraction problem. Okay, here is my next word problem. I was eating a watermelon. I found 18 seeds. I picked 12 out. How many seeds are left? Underline my question and circle my numbers. All right, 18 and 12. Okay, so now my question says, how many seeds are left? When I see that word left, that makes me think of subtraction. I know that I found 18 seeds, and I took 12 of them out. When I'm taking something out, I'm subtracting it. Okay, when we're solving subtraction problems with cubes, we only need to have the amount of cubes that is the bigger number. So which number is bigger, 18 or 12? Right, 18. So now I need to count out 18 cubes. 17, 18. Great. So now I have 18 cubes here, and I need to take 12 away. I'm going to do groups of 2 because I think it'll be faster. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so I took 12 away from my 18. Now I need to know how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cubes left, which means that 18 minus 12 equals 6. 6 what? 6 seeds. That is my final answer. Let's try one more subtraction problem, and then I'll give you some practice problems on your own. Okay, so here is this word problem. Jack had 14 jelly beans. He gave 6 to his sister. How many jelly beans does Jack have left? Underline my question and circle my numbers. Okay, so now when I read the question, how many jelly beans does Jack have left? I'm seeing that word left again. Now I remember in the last problem, I used subtraction. So I know that Jack had 14 jelly beans, but then he gave 6 away. If he gives them away, it means he doesn't have them anymore. So now I need to have my bigger number, 14, in cubes. 10, 12, 14. Okay, so now that I have 14 cubes, I'm going to take 6 away. 2, 4, 6. Now, how many cubes do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cubes left. That means 14 minus 6 equals 8. 8 what? Jelly beans. And that's my final answer. Okay, now I hope that that makes sense. I am going to give you some problems to try at home. If you would like to comment the answers that you get, you can absolutely do that, and then I'll make sure to respond to you. And yeah, if you have any other questions, please leave those in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible to answer any questions that you might have. All right. All right, here are some practice problems that you can try at home. Leave your answers in the comments down below. Bye, guys.